3 men in custody following a 9-gun seizure. 3 Trelawney men have been taken into custody following the seizure of 9 firearms and over 440 rounds of ammunition during an operation along the Edward Seaga Highway on Friday night, June 3. The operation was led by Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitz.
On Friday the 3rd of June 2022, a white Toyota Axio motor car registered 0747 KD was spotted in the St. Catherine area piloting a white AD wagon which was unregistered. The action of the vehicle arose the suspicion of the police. Consequently, a team of police officers was mobilized and the car was intercepted on the Edward Seaga Highway in the vicinity of the Linstead exit about 8 in the evening. 2 occupants were taken from the Axio motor car and 1 from the AD wagon. A preliminary search of the vehicles was done on the location. The AD wagon had several packages in the back, and during the search, 3 firearms were identified. The vehicles, along with its content and the occupants, were taken to the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters, where a comprehensive search was done, resulting in the discovery of 3 5.56 caliber rifles, 5 9mm pistol, 1 revolver, 17 magazines for pistols, 8 magazines for rifle, and 440 assorted ammunition. The investigation is being conducted by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. The 3 occupants were placed in custody and the investigation continues.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!